LEVOIT Core 300P Replacement Filter Review, Reliable HEPA Protection for Cleaner Air. If you own a LEVOIT Core 300P or 300's air purifier, the LEVOIT Core 300P replacement filter is a must-have to keep your air clean and your purifier running efficiently. This genuine filter features a 3-stage filtration system, a pre-filter for large particles, a True HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne allergens as small as 0.3 microns, and a high-density activated carbon filter to eliminate smoke and odors. What I love most is the ultra-quiet sleep mode operation, perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. It's ozone-free, easy to install, and works seamlessly with the Core 300's built-in filter indicator. LEVOIT's high-quality materials ensure a longer lifespan, recommended replacement every 6 to 8 months, making it a smart and healthy investment. Pros: True HEPA performance. Ultra quiet, less than or equal to 26 dB, sleep mode. Multiple filter options, PET, smoke, toxin. No power needed. Genuine fit for Core 300 models. Cons: only compatible with Core 300 series. Pricier than third-party filters. Overall, it's a reliable and effective replacement filter that delivers on its promise. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.